Clean air is an essential need for all, not just a luxury, which is why EU policies have been put in place to help cut air pollution across Europe. Despite the improvement in Europe's air quality, pollution remains a serious concern, especially in and around cities. Currently, air quality standards are exceeded in 130 cities across Europe. Burning coal and wood for heating and cooking, agriculture, as well as industry, all play a role in causing bad air quality. But traffic is the biggest contributor in urban areas. Various solutions exist and have already been put in place. Greening public transport, building bike lanes and new pedestrian areas, and setting up networks of charging stations for electric vehicles. Many European cities are busy setting up low-emission zones or introducing congestion charges. Berlin, Milan, London or Stockholm. This will further help reduce both congestion and pollution. There are many more solutions possible. Who knows what types of transport we will use in 20 years? But what we can do right now is spend less time in our cars and change how we move around to make our cities cleaner and healthier.